Stacksync powers real-time and two-way sync between enterprise systems and databases at any scale. Let's start creating a new sync between Salesforce and Postgres. We'll first connect Salesforce by selecting the connection we want to use. This is a secure connection we already pre-configured, as shown in our tutorials available on YouTube. Here we'll select both Salesforce and Postgres connections to power our sync. You can find the tutorial links in the video description. Step 1 is complete. Next, we'll link tables across both systems. You can choose between a sync in one direction, the other direction, or two-way sync. For this demo, we'll choose a two-way sync and let Stacksync create new tables in Postgres, so we do not have to configure anything in our database. The tables will be created with the perfect column names and data types. The third and last step is to map fields. An auto mapping is suggested, but you can select the fields you want to sync and those you do not want to sync. Your sync is fully customizable. Once we create a sync, connecting Postgres and Salesforce becomes a straightforward process. Now it's time to switch the sync on, and data will begin to flow between these two systems. When the sync is active, you'll see the Salesforce contacts that were in your CRM syncing to your database. If we refresh our tables in Postgres, we'll notice that both new tables have been created and contain the data coming from Salesforce. The data is now syncing in real time and bi-directionally. To try it out, we can create a new contact with the salutation of Mr. and the name Example Test, and save the new contact. The contact is created in Salesforce and will instantly sync to your database. If we update the same contact in Postgres, the change will be captured and reflected in Salesforce in real time. This shows the speed of two-way sync and how you can use your Postgres database to read and write data into Salesforce, and vice versa. Start syncing today at stacksync.com.